Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kids Motion. In this video today we learn how to improve modern farming through soil health and biodiversity are promoted by organic farming. We cover below topics in this video for understanding the organic farming. Understanding soil health. The role of organic farming. Reduced chemical use. Compost and organic matter. Crop rotation and diversity. Cover crops. No-till or reduced tillage. Biodiversity benefits. Habitat preservation. Natural pest control. Preservation of native varieties. Healthier ecosystems. Measuring success. Final conclusion. We also describe multiple ways to best harvest for organic farming. 1. Build healthy soil. 2. Rotate crops. 3. Encourage biodiversity. 4. Natural pest control. 5. Integrated pest management, IPM. 6. Avoid synthetic chemicals. 7. Enhance water management. 8. Preserve natural habitats. 9. Support pollinators. 10. Continuous learning. 11. Document and evaluate. 12. Educate and advocate. 13. Seek expert guidance. Now we start the brief introduction to understand the organic farming. Organic farming is an agricultural approach that focuses on cultivating crops and raising animals in harmony with nature without the use of synthetic pesticides, fertilizers, or genetically modified organisms, GMOs. One of the remarkable benefits of organic farming is the positive impact it has on soil health and biodiversity. In this article, we will explore how organic farming practices contribute to the well-being of soil and the diversity of life on farms. Understanding soil health. Soil health refers to the overall well-being of the soil ecosystem. It involves various factors such as soil structure, nutrient content, water retention, and the presence of beneficial microorganisms. Healthy soil is essential for growing strong and productive crops. Conventional farming practices, often reliant on chemical inputs, can degrade soil health over time. This is where organic farming steps in. The role of organic farming. Organic farming adopts a holistic approach to agriculture, emphasizing the importance of nurturing the soil as a living system. Instead of relying on synthetic chemicals, organic farmers use natural methods to build and maintain soil health. Here is how organic farming promotes soil health and biodiversity. Reduced chemical use. Organic farming avoids the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers that can harm beneficial organisms in the soil. This approach allows the natural balance of microorganisms to thrive, leading to healthier soil. Compost and organic matter. Organic farmers enrich the soil with compost and organic matter, which provide essential nutrients and improve soil structure. This encourages the growth of beneficial microorganisms that aid in nutrient cycling. Crop rotation and diversity. Organic farming often involves crop rotation and diverse planting. Different crops have different nutrient requirements, and rotating crops can prevent nutrient depletion. This practice also disrupts the life cycles of pests, reducing the need for chemical interventions. Cover crops. Organic farmers often plant cover crops between main crops. Cover crops protect the soil from erosion, improve water retention, and provide habitat for beneficial insects. When these cover crops are later incorporated into the soil, they enrich it with organic matter. No-till or reduced tillage. Many organic farmers adopt no-till or reduced tillage practices. This minimizes soil disturbance and helps preserve its structure, preventing erosion and promoting microbial activity. Biodiversity benefits. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life forms present in an ecosystem. Organic farming encourages biodiversity in several ways. Habitat preservation. Organic farms often have diverse habitats, such as hedgerows, ponds, and flowering plants. These habitats attract beneficial insects, birds, and other wildlife that contribute to pest control and pollination. Natural pest control. In organic farming, the focus is on promoting natural predators and parasites that help control pests. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides, which can harm both beneficial and harmful insects. Preservation of native varieties. Organic farmers often prioritize native and heirloom crop varieties. This helps preserve genetic diversity and ensures that local adaptations are maintained over time. Healthier ecosystems. Organic farms tend to have healthier ecosystems overall. The absence of synthetic chemicals and the emphasis on ecological balance create an environment where various species can coexist and thrive. Measuring success. The positive effects of organic farming on soil health and biodiversity can be seen over time. Organic farms often exhibit improved soil structure, better water holding capacity, and increased microbial diversity. Additionally, the presence of diverse plant and animal life indicates a healthy and balanced ecosystem. Conclusion. Organic farming goes beyond the idea of growing food. It nurtures the intricate relationships between plants, animals, and the soil. By avoiding harmful chemicals and focusing on natural processes, organic farming creates a supportive environment for soil health and biodiversity. Choosing organic products not only benefits our health, but also contributes to the sustainability of our planet's delicate ecosystems. As we embrace the principles of organic farming, we are making a positive investment in the future of agriculture and the environment. Now we understand multiple ways to best harvest for the joys of agricultural tourism, encouraging visitors to the farm. Organic farming is a sustainable and environmentally friendly approach that focuses on nurturing soil health and promoting biodiversity. This method prioritizes natural processes and avoids the use of synthetic chemicals, leading to healthier soils, diverse ecosystems, and nutritious crops. Here is how to effectively promote soil health and biodiversity through organic farming. 1. Build healthy soil. Compost and organic matter. Apply compost, manure, and other organic materials to enhance soil structure, water retention, and nutrient availability. Cover crops. Plant cover crops between main crops to prevent erosion, improve soil fertility, and increase organic matter content. Minimal soil disturbance. Avoid intensive tilling, which can disrupt soil structure and microbial communities. Instead, use reduced tillage or no-till methods. 2. Rotate crops. Implement crop rotation to prevent soil depletion and control pests naturally. Different crops have varying nutrient needs and help break pest cycles. 3. Encourage biodiversity. Polyculture planting, grow a variety of crops together rather than in monocultures. This attracts different insects, birds, and beneficial organisms that maintain a balanced ecosystem. Hedgerows and buffer zones, plant native plants, shrubs, and trees along field edges to provide habitats for pollinators, birds, and other wildlife. 4. Natural pest control. Beneficial insects encourage the presence of predatory insects that control pest populations naturally, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Crop diversity. Diverse crops attract fewer specific pests, as they find it more difficult to locate their preferred host plants. 5. Integrated Pest Management, IPM. Monitor pest populations and use a combination of cultural practices, physical barriers, and biological controls to manage pests while minimizing harm to beneficial organisms. 6. Avoid synthetic chemicals. Eliminate synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and synthetic fertilizers. Instead, use natural alternatives like neem oil, diatomaceous earth, and beneficial